Right then, hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cook today is something really quite different to what I've been covering, and we're going to use the wood-fired oven cookbook which I received for my birthday. And this recipe book is absolutely brilliant. It covers not just pizzas but a lot of different ranges. The recipe I'm going to cover is going to be the Cambodian curried mussels. Absolutely tried this before. I actually cooked this in the pizza oven. It was absolutely amazing. So that's kind of like what it will look like, and this is the recipe. Your mussels, we've got some pre-packed mussels here. We need an onion, we need ginger, we need a lime, we need garlic, we've got some sea salt, we've got some pre-made chilies and some coconut milk, a tin of coconut milk, and then some fish sauce optional. I'm going to cheat here because I've got a lot of pre-prep things. I've got ginger apple cider vinegar, whole limes that I've blended, blitz in advance. So I'm going to put a couple of these in here. I'm going to blitz these. I've got some pre-made garlic and actually some diced onions. So I'm pretty much going to add everything into the blender here. So I'll put the onions, garlic in here as well. The garlic's just like little pellets, so I'm going to put the pellets, that in there, spoon, quite a bit of the chilies actually, some fish sauce. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a saucepan here now, just going to steam these. So here are all the mussels. I'm going to put all this to one side. Everything's in here ready. Now I'm just going to add some sliced fresh ginger in this. It doesn't really matter about doing it too much. So that's all the ginger. I'm just going to add the liquid, really give this a good blitz. Right, so once that's done, you pretty much pour this over here. Bring that to a boil and then you bring it down straight away and you just simmer that for 10 minutes. So here we have the Cambodian spicy mussels. Absolutely fabulous. It's really creamy, really spicy, really vagrant. I'm going to serve this up now. Really hope you enjoy the show. Don't forget to subscribe. Lots of healthy videos. Treat this is really, so enjoy.